actually I'll try and I got this one running for me, so I'll try and get it going. Just prime it, choke closed. Still some fuel in it. Still only got one in anyway, I think, so let's see what happens. Come on, sweetie pops. Oh great, that's not going to blow back in now. Oh come on. Oh great, that's me knackered the recoil then. Come on, go back in. Right, I've repaired the recoil starter, but more importantly, if you can see it, I've turned the fuel tap on. Don't think there's any fuel on a little bit. Anyhow, so we'll try again. Choke closed with a prime. See what happens. You can hear me repair to the recoil starter's not brilliant. Oh my bloody hell, fire. Right, forget it today. Forget it. Forget it. Right, I'm determined not to be beat by an old engine. Right, third attempt. Prime. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh yes. You beauty. Oh, she's reluctant to fight spin up. Oh dear me. Oh, choke. Idiot Robert. Not been sleeping well. I'll put it down to that. Right, here we go. Smashing. Lovely jubbly. Got there in the end, didn't I?